Hello and welcome to Inspire Academy Elementary English, Unit 13. Unit 13 is about possession. What will you learn in Unit 13? You will review the verb to have, and we'll learn today about possessive pronouns and the possessive case. Let's get started. Possessive pronouns. So last time we learned about subject and complements and objects, and today we're going to learn about the possessive. So each of you has a computer. Is it your computer? If it's your computer, you possess it. It is yours. You own it. It's yours. I have a computer. My computer is mine. So we're talking about what belongs to me, what belongs to you, what belongs to her, to him, to it, and to them, and to us. So the subject would be I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The object would be me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. The adjective would be my, your, his, hers, its, our, and theirs. And the possessive is mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Let's look at some examples. Maria has a volleyball. The volleyball is hers. Who does this key belong to? It is her key. Sarah is my teacher. She is not your teacher. The boy said that it was his book. It's not his book. It's not his. It's theirs. The book belongs to them. More example sentences. I have a blue shirt and my mom has a purple shirt. The blue shirt is mine. The purple shirt is hers. The words mine and hers show possession. The purple shirt belongs to my mom. The blue shirt belongs to me. They have paint. We have markers. The paint is theirs. The markers are ours. They are our markers. The girl has ice cream, and you have cake. Maybe she will give you some of her ice cream. Maybe you can give her some of your cake. Boy, give me that, give me that. Dog, oh no. Oh no, you don't. It's mine. It's all mine. It's not yours, and I'm not going to give it to you. Oh no, I am not giving it to you. Knowledge check. The man has a grandmother. He visits blank grandmother every day. I have a cat. Blank cat likes blank cat food. John teaches blank class every day. Can you fill in the blanks with the missing word? Fill in the blanks with the words my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. The man has a grandmother. He visits his grandmother every day. I have a cat. My cat likes its cat food. John teaches his class every day. Knowledge check. Choose the correct answer for each picture. She is covering her ears. She is covering their ears. He is covering its eyes. His eyes are covered by his hands. She has her headphones and her mobile phone. She has their mobile phones. He has a burger. It is his burger. He has a burger. She is his burger. And the correct answers are: she is covering her ears. His eyes are covered by his hands. She has her headphones and her mobile phone. He has a burger. It is his burger. Review. Today we looked at possessive pronouns. We reviewed the verb to have. We looked at possessive pronouns and possessive case. See you later and have a great day.